Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this 1-minute video, we'll explore the latest updates to JavaScript's string and array methods. These additions bring exciting new functionalities to your code. Let's get started. Section 1. String methods trim start and trim end. Remove leading and trailing whitespace easily. Pad start and pid end. Add padding to align text or format output. Starts with, ends with, includes, and repeat. Check if a string starts, ends, or includes a specific substring. Repeat a string quickly. Find and find index. Find the first element that matches a condition. Includes. Check if an array contains a specific value. Flat and flat map. Flat and nested arrays for easier manipulation. From and of. Create arrays from iterables or individual values effortlessly. If you enjoyed this 1-minute video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more JavaScript tutorials and updates. Happy coding and see you next time.